Now that we've learned the basics about pawns, it's time to learn about two really cool special rules involving them. The first of which is called promotion. Every year when school ends, you all move up a grade. That is a promotion. You get bigger and stronger with every year with every promotion. In chess, if a pawn does good work and manages to get all the way to the opponent's side, it can become a larger, more valuable piece. Most of the time, people choose to make it a queen, as the queen is the strongest one. When this happens, we call it promotion. The pawn gets bigger and stronger, just like you. The other special rule involving pawns is called in passant, and is weirder and trickier. To understand this, let's imagine a situation where we have a pawn on the 5th rank. Now, remember, we learned in the last session that pawns capture diagonally. So notice that the white pawn on e5 controls the d6 and f6 squares. If black were to move to d6, white could capture it. This is the case throughout most of the board. If your opponent wants to move a pawn past yours, you get a chance to capture. However, when pawns are on the 5th rank, as they are on the screen, there's a weird situation where their pawn can jump past the square yours was controlling. Say black moves their d pawn to d5. You see how this is jumping over the square white was controlling? Your poor d pawn never got the chance to capture. That isn't fair. Chess players realized this a long time ago, so to fix the problem, they created a rule called in passant, which is French for in passing. In passant allows you to capture the black d5 pawn by pretending it's really on d6 and moving your e pawn there like so. If you want to capture in passant, you must do so right away. If white were to play another move here, say d4, he can no longer make an in passant capture of black's d5 pawn. You only get one chance. Let's see if you understand in passant. Notice the black pawn on b4. What two squares is it controlling? That's right, a3 and c3. Now if white moves his a pawn to a4, black can capture it in passant. Now what other move could white make that would allow black the chance at an in passant capture? That's right, c4. If white moves his pawn there, black can capture in passant. Master this, and we are on our way to some great games. Okay, Chess NYC, let's do this. Back to work.